Hello and welcome to this new video. It's a pleasure for me to see you here. And what are we talking about today? Today we are talking about the term DAST, Dynamic Application Security Testing. And if you want to have a short overview about this, then you are exactly right here. By the way, my name is Van Robert. I'm developer advocate for JFrog. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It would be a pleasure for me to see you back here on this channel. So now let's start. Okay, now let's talk about the term DAST, Dynamic Application Security Testing. What does it mean? The name testing means that you try to test the system against vulnerabilities, mostly based on the most common vulnerabilities, because DAST is mostly used against web application, not so often against desktop applications or others. So it means you need an application that you're ramping up and then you're looking from outside like a hacker. So you're just looking at this API. You don't care about the technologies that are used inside or how complex this infrastructure inside is, because you are just looking from outside and you try to break in. These attacks are mostly based on the most common vulnerabilities, for example, like SQL injection, and then you try to compromise the system. So it means, compared to other testing techniques like DAST, static application security testing, you need something that you can ramp up. It means during the production phase, DAST is a little bit later than, for example, static application security testing, because you need something that you can start already. On the other side, the most DAST tools are available as software as a service, means you need some kind of network bandwidth. Not so many tools are available as on-prem. So you need some kind of internet connection or VPN to these providers. But what is the runtime behavior of DAST? The runtime behavior of DAST is mostly with exponential growing, because if you have the double amount of input values or the double amount of functionalities you can test, it's mostly ending up in an exponential amount of new combinations. So DAST is depending on CPU power, how fast the system can work, network bandwidth, how fast this or how many instructions you can send over the wire, and yeah, this is mostly the limitation. So if you want to double the speed of DAST, mostly you need the double amount of machines or the double amount of CPU cycles and so on and so on. Okay, DAST is something that you can combine not only with the most common vulnerabilities, you can combine it with techniques like fuzzing. Fuzzing is some kind of random input against this API to see if something is happening. If you want to know a little bit more about fuzzing on the YouTube channel, you will find a dedicated video about the technique fuzzing and what does it mean and how it works. And on the other side, DAST is a good add-on to DAST, static application security testing, and this is as well on this YouTube channel where you can see what does DAST mean, or what DAST is and how this works. So DAST, dynamic application security testing, is based on most common vulnerabilities. It's attacking from outside like a hacker your system, and yeah, you can do it on test systems, you can do it on staging or prod systems, depends on you. And yeah, so with this, we are done with this security short. If you have any more questions about short terms, terms you want to have explained or other questions, write it down in the comments, please. And then I can give you an answer there, or if it is a question for a new video for a security short like this, then it will end up in my to-do list, and maybe soon you can see it here on this channel. So otherwise, have a nice day and see you.